Cause I'm back with another video.
Today it's
raining. The rain, bro. It's raining.
Oh, it's raining hard. Hold on. Let me see.
It's windy and everything.
No, they got the door open.
I'm trying to leave. We're vlogging out here. Everything.
Let me zoom it in. We're vlogging at HEB right now. Compass Cove HEB, right? Compass Cove HEB. The thing that we did, we wanted to come in here. We wanted to get some stuff. And the main reason I wanted to come is because I want to see if we see any subscribers here.
Oh, we do, man.
So we in Compass Cove HEB. Come. You can see us. Mega Man V2. I'm playing you too far.
Mega Man V2 like 50,000 hours away, bro.
He in Europe.
Yeah, bro.
Everybody here. Milky Way. Sorry, I was eating a Milky Way. I'm really about to be in the candy aisle. Ooh, what should I get? Ooh, should I grab that? I'm playing. I'm in the candy aisle right now. Juwan just touching all the candy. I love all this candy. All the candy that I like, I'm about to just. If I was a million, if I had so much money, I would have just bought me every candy. I would buy every candy in here.
So if all the lights turned off, Juwan,
I would have been doing I would have been doing a candy giveaway. A candy giveaway.
If all the lights turned off, I would have got all the candy.
Ooh, chocolate chip cookies.
I'll use the flashlight and do. But you don't gotta. Oh yeah, we do.
Some coffee. Ooh, yeah. Me too, bro.
I know.
I was just thinking about using the bathroom too.
I'm good, bro. Y'all have to use the bathroom.
Boy,
Y'all.
we lit, but we vlogging at HEB.
I'm hungry.
For I need. They got some samples.
I'm not that hungry though. I'm like literally.
I think they only do samples at Walmart though.
No, at HEB too.
They do samples at HEB too. I like this.
What was a green?
Lightning within one.
Look, I'm gonna get some. No,
It says heavy participation in Compass Cove. We in Compass Cove right now. We in Compass Cove right now.
Oh no, yeah, you can say that. Our subscribers can come.
Yeah, our subscribers can come and be like, and then we can just like be like, want to hear one of our subscribers. You see that, Juwan? Bye. See you. I'ma what you hit you when your nephew can whatever.
We will be doing another prank.